gourmet cooks out there. Welcome back to my channel. So what's on the menu today is some beef pot roast. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the ingredients. What I have here is just the 2 packages of the beef pot roast meat. So whatever brand you prefer is fine. I'm gonna use 4 potatoes, some baby carrots, 2 jars of the beef gravy, also a packet of beef stew seasoning mix, seasoned salt, onion and garlic powder, salt and pepper, and you'll also need an onion. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is take these bags and pop them in the microwave for about maybe 4 to 5 minutes each. And then in the meantime, you can go ahead and start cutting up your carrots, potatoes, and onion. So I'll be back once all of that is done. So once you have your potatoes and carrots cut up like this, go ahead and add them to some boiling water. And all I've done is added a little bit of chicken stock to this water. Go ahead and boil these in here. Now you're not gonna boil your onions. You want them to be fork tender because we're gonna incorporate our meat and our gravy in it together. So we'll go ahead and let these boil, and I'll be back in just a moment. In a pot, you want to go ahead and add in a teaspoon of butter, onion, and some minced garlic. Stir that around. And you don't have to cook these until they're translucent. You just want to kind of cook up the flavoring because we're going to add in the meat. And all of this will simmer with the potatoes and the meat and the gravy. So what I've added in now is the meat with the onions and garlic. And I'm gonna go ahead and I've already added in my gravy and my packet of my beef pot roast. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, a bit of salt. You wanna go ahead and mix this around evenly. And you can also just break down your meat. Potatoes and carrots are done. I'm gonna go ahead and just add that in with my meat. And it looks like I might have let it cook just a little too long, but they still have some great texture to them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just let all of this marinate together. The potatoes taste really good in this, but what's really important is that the potatoes give it adds as like a thickening agent. So once I'm done with this and it's done just marinating together, I'm gonna plate it and show you the finished recipe. So I'll be back in just a moment. All right, everyone, so this is my finished and completed beef roast with potatoes and carrots. I just added it over a bed of white rice. So it's definitely a great recipe for if you just want something like a comfort food or a stew, and it's very delicious. You can see my onions in there, my carrots, potatoes, and everything just tastes so delicious. So yes, I hope that you all would definitely try this recipe. And as always, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.